Juniper will take it.
So as you can see, Belgian Malinois can actually be trained and be good with even bunny rabbits.
You are a picky little shit. Take that. Really?
Well, that's what you get. That's what you get for allowing them to choose their own stuff.
Aspen.
Q will take it, won't you?
Aspen. Come here.
Good boy, Rami.
Come here. No. See, look.
He's being picky. He wants the good ones, right?
Oh, now that you're on camera, you're gonna actually eat it, huh?
Yeah. Rami's like, hi, hi,
Nope.
hi,
Hey.
hi, hi, hi,
Come on, Aspen.
hi.
Whoa. Here. You want
Like,
one?
oh well,
Here
if
you
you'll
go.
eat it.
Yeah, eat it.
We gotta find out what's up with your nose, boy. That is just so weird. Maybe allergies or dermatitis? Yeah. But you're good with bunnies, aren't you? So a dopey German Shepherd. Yes. Doop, 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 doop.
Gosh, you're so cute when you chew. You chew like a cow. She's like, I scored. You want one too? Here you go, Rami. Bunnies are like, those are hard.
So, treat time, get them out of their cages. So this is their setup.
Cute. This is Aspen.
This is all this brown boy, the tiny
It's
tiny brown boy
actual
Aspen right there. He is our little domesticated, he's almost like a dog. This is his right here. We just put these cages close together. And this is the two girls. You got the big girl under there. And then you got the little gray one right there. So they're both together in this one. So they're pretty happy with it.
Come here, baby. Juniper. Juniper. Right here. No. This is Juniper's. Juniper.
No.
Here you go. Come on to the floor. Aspen, no, this is Juniper's. Come here, Juniper. She's like, what?
Take it and run. Alright.
Here.
And it's treat time and recess for the bunnies, so.
Here you go. Really?
Common shenanigans.
Hey, Aspen.